Fall can be a good time to treat biennials and perennials because that's the time of year when both those two types of plants are storing energy in their root systems or in their tree trunks and branches, depending on whether it's an herbaceous perennial like this thistle, or whether it's honeysuckle shrub or a buckthorn small tree. Any of those things that are trying to store energy in the fall, you can spray with herbicides and have the herbicides transferred into the root system or into the branches in the trunk. And what that'll do is either kill it outright so that it's not there next spring, or it will damage it so much that when it's coming out next spring, it'll be very weak and it'll be easy to treat at that time. So if you have perennials, especially, and biennials that are still green while the rest of the landscape is going dormant, you can spray those plants without fear of doing much damage to the rest of the landscape and be able to do a good amount of damage to those perennials and biennials. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.